Now, there's gonna be a bonus for you guys here as well because I'm gonna show you guys what's working right now. Hey, what's up guys, Jandy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know what day it is. It is a tip Thursday where I give out the most valuable golden nugget that you can quickly implement into your strategy. In today's video specifically, I am going to cover my ultra low budget using Facebook ads CBO. Now if you don't know what CBO is, it's basically campaign budget optimization, where instead of editing your budget inside your ad sets, you'll only have to do it once in the campaign level. And also, if you don't know, Facebook is basically making it mandatory for everyone to use sometime this year. And if you're not prepared for that, then this is the perfect video for you guys. Most of my strategies here on my YouTube channel are CBOs, and I've spent a lot of time and money testing it. So I'm confident enough to share my knowledge to you guys and what's working with me at the moment. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Show some support by liking this video so that it helps the algorithm to reach more people. Now don't forget to comment down below #ActionTaker if you want to win a one-on-one consulting call with me. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and finally hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any valuable content that I put out on a weekly basis. Let's go. Alright, so today you are going to find out my ultra low budget Facebook ad testing using a CBO. Now this is perfect for everyone who wants to save money when they're testing their products through Facebook ads. And also, if you're fairly new with drop shipping, just don't want to spend a lot of money at the very beginning, then this is good for you as well. But otherwise, it's good for everyone who wants to learn CBO plus saving money at the same time. Now, there's gonna be a bonus for you guys here as well because I'm gonna show you guys what's working right now and what kind of audiences you should be targeting that allows you to get high ROAS. With this strategy, not only will you save money, but you will also get more profit. Also, you'll have a stronger Facebook pixel. Now let's jump into my computer so I can show you guys step by step on how I create these campaigns. So on your Facebook Business Manager, all you want to do is hit create. And then you want to hit conversions. As always choose that one. And then you want to name your campaign. Now for this strategy, I don't test more than 4 countries. The reason is because you have a low budget and you just want to target those specific countries that you want to scale to. You can start testing other countries once you have a proven product. In this example, we are just going to name our campaign US. Okay. The age that we want to target, typically you want to go 22 years old or over, and you want to put in auto for automatic placement plus the product that you're testing, for example the knee stabilizer. Now for this ultra low budget strategy, you just want to do $25 per day. You want to hit continue. Okay, name your ad set properly. Just want to go 22 plus, and then the gender that you want to target and the interest that you want to do. Now we're gonna hold up for that because I want to tell you guys what kind of interest and audiences I target nowadays to increase my return on ad spend. Now you just want to scroll down to conversion event, make sure that is in purchase. Always make sure that that's in purchase. Now you want to scroll down, make sure that this is people who live in this location. And then you want to go United States. All right, and then you want to go 22 years old or up, both gender. Now this is where I want you guys to take time and find the right audiences. So for this strategy, you just want to target audience size between 500,000 to 2 million people. The reason for that is because you have a low budget, plus you want to target those people who are most likely going to buy from you. I know a lot of strategies out there will tell you to target between 1 to 20 million. I used to do that, but not anymore. I found more success doing it this way because when you jump into lookalike audiences, your pixel is so strong, laser targeted those audiences, then there's no way for you to have a very strong lookalike audiences, which means in the long term and also in the future, you'll be able to scale so much easier. So now we just want to have a look at some interest that we can find. Alright, for this one, we can do knee pad. Okay, with 250,000 people, you probably don't have enough, so you want to try find other interests. You want to stack interest until you hit that 500,000 range, between 500 to 2 million. Now this is almost 500,000, so we can leave it at that. And finally, you just want to leave it as automatic placement. Now this strategy alone is so strong. Don't underestimate this strategy. Now if you don't know how CBO works, basically CBO will feed your budget to the best ad set within that campaign. Now if you're specifically laser targeting your audiences between 500,000 to 2 million, it will be easier for you to find the right audiences that will buy from you. Now with bigger audiences, it's gonna be a lot harder because you're telling Facebook that you're telling Facebook, for example, 50 million people to find the audiences in there with a extra low budget. It's just not gonna work for you. Now a quick reminder for you guys, with Facebook ads, the budget are equals to velocity. Basically, the higher the budget is, the faster you get the data. The lower the budget is, the slower you get the data. But if you have a smaller audience size plus a smaller budget, that will work really well. Like I said, you're specifically targeting those people who are most likely going to buy from you. I hope this is making sense with you guys. Now the next step here is for you to create 2 ads attached to this ad set. Now if you don't know how to make video creatives that actually sell, then make sure to watch my other videos where I showed you guys step by step on how I create my product videos. Anyways, attach those 2 ads into this ad set, and then you're gonna be duplicating this ad set 4 times, and you're gonna have a total of 5 ad sets. Now you have to find different audiences between 500,000 to 2 million, and if you really want to find laser targeted audiences, I created a video on this where you're gonna find hidden interests and audiences that other dropshippers are not using. So what does that mean? That means that you're gonna have low competition because less people are using that interest, and other dropshippers won't be able to find it from the suggestion tab alone. So if you want those laser hidden targeted interests, then make sure you watch that video. Anyways, you should have the following structure. You have 1 campaign at the top, okay? 5 ad sets with different interests between 500,000 to 2 million people, and you have 2 ads per ads. Now if you haven't tried this strategy yet, I promise you guys, you are going to see some insane result with this. Now in the next upcoming videos, I'm gonna go in depth on Facebook ads and my own strategies. Well, I hope you guys learned something new there. Make sure to implement this strategy if you don't have much budget, or if you just want to test Facebook ads while saving costs. If you did enjoy that video, make sure to hit that thumbs up, and also don't forget to comment down below #ActionTaker to win a one-on-one consulting call with me. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos like this. I'll see you guys soon.